Hi, so I was just watching Weird Habits by my friend Momo, and I was just making a list of some of her bad habits. Kind of funny. One is when she was making her videos, she stuttered. She's like, yeah, and then what she was saying about the pen thing, she does always have a pen around her face. It's really weird. She's like, yeah, hi, Zoe, time. I'm gonna wipe that on my forehead now. And then when she's making her videos, she stops. Whenever she goes off topic, she stops and she's kind of thinking. She's like, yeah. Anyways, and then like after her off topic, that's what she does. It's kind of weird. And yeah, I just thought I would point those out. It's just sorry. I know I love you, Zoe, so much, but you talk a lot. Like, honestly, you do. And yeah, that's about it. The thing I wrote, I comment twice here, is you say, a lot. Like, after your comment, you're like, yeah, but anyways, yeah. Like, kind of funny. Like me, I always look at myself on the screen and just watch myself. Like, I don't know, not making a fool of myself. Probably am right now. Anyways, yeah, that's the weird habit of my friend and me. Oh, yeah. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching.